Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, June 9, 2023. 4 star Sudoku. 7th row, we have 3, 5 and 8. The 3 numbers can't come, the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 4th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Third row, on column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Second row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, then column B, we have 7. Okay, column C and third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, third row, we have 1. Column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 10th also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 3. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column B, on 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, column H, column I, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. then 7 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we will already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then in column D, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade and 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column B, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 1st grade, column C, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F and 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. 4th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will be another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.